Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are making another hot drink video. Now I've got two videos. I don't know which one you're going to see first, but this one is if you're not a person who likes a lot of spices but you want a nice warm kind of a nice drink to have, maybe just to relax or at night before you go to bed. This would be a real relaxing drink to have, and basically it's a hot cinnamon milk mix. It's awesome. And so it's super simple. So I'm using dried milk. Dried milk is very different than instant dry milk. So this calls for 2 cups of dry milk. If you don't have dry non-fat milk, which is the milk that you reconstitute with hot water, if you don't know the difference between milks, go look at my video that talks about all the different types of milk that are shelf stable. But I've got dry milk here. If you're going to use instant non-fat dry milk, then you're going to need to double the amount of milk that you're using, because this is much more dense, the dried milk. So 2 cups of instant, or 2 cups of non-fat dry milk, and then 1 cup of powdered creamer, which is just kind of like that non-dairy powdered creamer. That kind of gives it that creamy taste. So a cup of that. And then 1 cup of sugar. I'm cutting down on sugar, so I'm using Splenda. So 1 cup of Splenda, and sugar in Splenda is, you use the same amount of Splenda as is called for with sugar. And then 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. I probably got a little more than that, but that's okay because I like it that much. So that's all there is. That's all there is to this. And I've already got my my little kettle already getting hot so that we can taste it, but I'm trying to get a thing so that I can stir this up for you. So now you just mix that together. You could put it in the blender. If you put it in the blender, it blends down to an amazing mixture. In fact, I think I will throw this in the blender just to make sure everything is incorporated super nice. So I'm going to toss this in the blender and I'll be right back. Alright, there we are. I mixed that in the blender and you can see how it's super nice and powdery. So I'm going to probably put a nice heaping spoonful in here, actually a little bit more because it should be about 2 heaping tablespoons. And then I'm going to put some hot water with it. Now I'm sure that you can adjust your cinnamon as you want, but if you were doing a chai tea, like my other video is about chai, maybe people don't like all those other spicy flavors, but they want to have a little something special to drink. Yeah, it's mixing up nice. And oh, it smells good. It almost, oh, it smells kind of like a tapioca or rice pudding kind of thing. But I'm going to put a little drop of vanilla extract in there. Just a wee little, oops, there you go. Little bit of vanilla. It smells wonderful. Oh, I think this would be really soothing. Okay. Let me do a little taste. See how that is? Hang on, let me do it. I'm going to try it. Oh, it's really good. That is fantastic. And you could increase the cinnamon, you could increase the vanilla. I could stand to put a little bit more in there to give it a little bit more creamy, but I think that's really good. So that is a hot cinnamon milk mix. Super simple. The whole thing literally has taken me probably 3 minutes, you know, once you get all the stuff out. But we'll go for a max of 10 minutes to make this and have this on your shelf. And I'm going to now put this in a container and I'm going to label it. And I am going to have that in the evenings before bed because I think it's fabulous. Oh, I really like it. Well, there you have it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.